Jemput makan ya, saya sudah siap masak. So let's try this out. How does it gonna taste like? 问华人有没有吃这样子的哦？那种印度店的那个金瓜。Panas, panas baru siap masak. It's very nice. Memang sedap ya. Sudah lama saya tak makan macam ni lah. Biasa labu masak macam ni kita boleh makan dekat KUAH ataupun restoran vegetarian ke. So saya pun dah lama tak makan macam ni. So dia memang sedap lah. Kira ada pedas, manis, masam. So if you like this video, do remember to try this recipe at home, and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are first time watching. And if you already subscribed, don't forget to turn on the bell icon so that every time when I do a new video, you will be the first one who are able to get the notification. So jumpa lagi esok. Bye bye. 再见，大家明天见。